Hi, this is Bolortsetseg Minjin. I'm a Mongolian paleontologist. I study mammals that lived the same time as dinosaurs. So mammals that lived during that time were mostly very small size, like mouse and rat. So the group of mammals that I focus on is called multituberculate. This this mammal group is actually extinct, and it has very distinct features, like has enlarged incisors and many bumps on the teeth. So that's what is the name came from. So my happy place is actually Gobi Desert of Mongolia. That's where I look for fossils. So especially looking for those tiny mammals, it's quite challenging for eyes. But the first thing I find, look, is the teeth, tiny teeth. So another thing I really like about my happy place Gobi Desert is I like to travel with the movable dinosaur museum and then teach kids and local community about their fossil heritage.